this is Reinna and we're going to do a nighttime skincare routine video. So in this skincare video, I'm going to tell you what products I use or steps I make. So kasama na din dito yung pagtanggal ko ng whiteheads since I try to do it every week. Kasi I have a lot of whiteheads on the nose area. And then also, surprisingly, meron din pala ako sa cheeks. And as you can see, ang dami ko ding pimples. As always, lagi naman ako may pimples. So, I'm doing my best to take care of my skin since I always wear makeup every day. The first thing that we're going to do is remove the makeup. Since syempre, hindi mo naman lalagyan yung face mo na face mask if you have makeup. I'm going to use Garnier Micellar Water. So, I've been using this for months now. And I don't know if this is the one kasi may breakouts or hiyang ako dito. But, ayun, it is for oily acne-prone skin. So, maybe it protects my skin from acne, but I don't know. So, hindi ko lang isang beses pinupunasan yung mukha ko using the micellar water. I at least do it for 3 times para sure ako na wala ng makeup na namatitira sa mukha ko. Now that we're done removing the makeup, bare na. So, my skin is not in good shape right now. So, sanay naman na ako na lagi ako may pimple. Hindi na bumalik yung skin ko dun sa mga high school and college days ko. So the next thing that I always do after removing my makeup is to wash my face with a facial wash. So, ang ginagamit kong facial wash is the Pond's Rosy White Acne Removing Facial Wash. Basta yung Pond's Rosy White, yung ina-endorse ni Miss Nadine Lustre. Since, ayun, baka naman masave yung skin ko na ma-remove yung mga acne marks or acne spots. So, together with that, I use this sponge from Miniso. So, this is a deep cleansing balm. What? So, I use this sponge from Miniso, which is a deep cleansing with bamboo charcoal cameroon. So, dalawa siya nung una. So, nagamit ko na dati yung black na to. And then, this is the second one already. And then, it says here that it's 100% natural and for gentle exfoliation. So, medyo ginagamit ko siya everyday. And I can say naman na I think nare-remove niya yung whiteheads or nakakapag-exfoliate siya since after using this sponge is the sides of my nose feels very smooth, and I don't know if it has the same purpose as the cognac sponge. I haven't tried it yet, so ang sabi naman dito sa instructions is it should be completely soaked with water before use and apply proper amount of facial cleanser onto the sponge and add water, then rub it to make foam. So, ayun, sponge nga lang siya to wash your face. Maghilamos lang ako and then I'll be right back. So, after washing my face, I use baking soda to make the whiteheads rise. When I don't use baking soda when I'm removing my whiteheads, yung mga whiteheads ko is yung maliliit lang and parang hindi lahat natatanggal niya. But when I use baking soda, the opposite thing happens. It's like it removes all of my whiteheads. So, you should give it a try if you're not doing that yet. So, let's head on to the next step. For removing my blackheads, I use this Beauty Fix Peel Off Mask from Watson's. So, before, I only use the sachet one since I'm only trying it if it's effective, and it costs around 20 pesos. But this one right here is a 120 grams, and it's, I think, mga 250. So, I also bought another face mask from White, which costs 150. And I find this more effective than that one. So the instructions for this is wash face with warm water, then apply this mask liberally on the entire face, avoiding eyes, eyebrows, and lips. Kasi baka matanggal yung kilay mo. So, wala ka ng kilay is life. Wala ka ng life. So, next is relax and enjoy it for 20 minutes or until the mask is completely dry, which will make the skin feel tight. So, yun din yung isa sa napapansin ko sa mga ganito klase mask. Nagtatighten yung skin. I don't know if it's good or not. I'm not an expert. So, iyon, but it does its job not to remove your whiteheads. And maybe it's better to have a tighter skin to avoid wrinkles. After na matuyo, gently peel off the mask in an upward manner starting from their chin. And then remove excess dry formulation with warm water. For better results, use 2 to 3 times a week. In my case, I use it once a week. Kasi, nun lang ako sinisipag. So, every week, every Friday or every weekend, I at least use this once. Now that I'm done putting on my face mask, so I won't be able to talk right now, kaya I have to do a voiceover. So, ayan, all we have to do is wait for 20 minutes or so. Oh, not more than 20 minutes, but 20 minutes or until it dries. Now that the mask is dry, as you can see, except for this spot, so I'll just have to wait until this countdown is over. 2, 1, and we're done. So, as instructed, you have to remove the chin part first, then upwards. So, I think that's the most effective way to remove your whiteheads. So, beware lang din na when removing face mask na masakit siya, and yun nga katulad ng kanina, baka matanggal yung mga facial hairs nyo. So, you just have to be strong and be brave when removing your face mask. On this part, medyo ginaya ko yung style ng mga nagwa-wax na pagkatanggal nila ng wax, pinapat nila yung skin para hindi masakit. Then, yan, I'm looking at my whiteheads if natanggal ba sila. And then, if hindi din natanggal yung ibang face mask, I use my micellar water to remove them instead of using hot water as instructed from the face mask packaging. As you can see, dami pang natira and I have to remove it using warm water or my makeup remover. So sometimes I use my makeup remover na lang kasi I'm so lazy. So after completely removing everything, I'm now going to moisturize my face with St. Ives Collagen Moisturizer. So after applying moisturizer, I am going to take care of my pimples. So before the moisturizer, other people use toners, other stuff, but I don't have those things, and I just want to have a simple skincare that works for me, I hope. For the pimples, I'm going to use Celatec Dermascience Acne Spot Corrector Gel. It is a dupe, I think, for Clean and Clear's Acne Spot Gel, which I think is discontinued here in the Philippines, but it's still sold internationally. So what you're going to do with this gel is apply a little amount of it and then dab it on your pimple, so it may prevent your pimple from getting too big. So may times din na lumalaki din yung pimple ko kapag ginagamit ko to, but most of the time umiimpis siya agad. Using the acne spot gel, prevents your pimple from getting bigger and having a pus. A pus is yung lana sa loob ng pimple. So, nabasa ko lang naman yun dito sa Mia Care. This Mia Care Spot Care Patch comes with 2 sachets. So, one is for night and one is for day. So, yung for day is you can use it under your makeup. Sabi nila invisible, but I have tried it and it's not. And the next is the night one. And sabi nila, mas madami yung, or mas stronger yung pag-absorb nito ng pus. So, this is what we're going to use. And ganito lang naman siya gamitin. So this ends our video for tonight. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you learned things from this or tips or anything. And I'd like to know how you do your skincare routine, and I like to have that flawless skin back. So let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this a like and hit subscribe on my channel, and don't forget to ring the bell to get notified. See you on my next video. Bye! Good night!